What are you over hiding for? It ain't even thundering. All it's doing is drizzling a little bit, and you over here hid like a big cheeky boy. Like a little girly boy. You ain't hid too well. You awful easy to find. You coming out. Hiding from the rain like a little girly boy. Yo, big chicken poo. Big chicken poo poo. So say what you want. You don't care what we say, do you, Milo? You don't like rain, you don't like thunder, you don't like none of it. Well, it's about to quit raining now. You'd think it come a torrential downpour with thunder and lightning the way you hid.